As you can see, I have not the best posture right now, and that's because I turned on my camera and realized that once again, my face doesn't match my body at all. I don't know why. It's just a constant struggle. I can't figure it out. I'm a different shade every day. Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. As you can see by the title, we are doing another video where we try extra glam items from Wish. I've also done this from AliExpress, but I feel like the Wish one has been long awaited, so I'm so excited to do it. If you guys watch a lot of my videos, you know I'm not really glamorous or extra. Well, I feel like I am extra a lot, but not in the sense of like I wear nice clothes. More in the sense that I eat a lot. Okay, you know what? What I mean more is like I'm always wearing sweatpants and slippers or my Adidas slides, you know. But I do really appreciate a bomb look. So when people like go all out on their outfits, I'm just like, I can appreciate that. You look amazing, but I would be so uncomfortable. So these types of videos kind of push me out of my comfort zone, and yeah.
I'm worried for myself.
So today we are trying a bunch of very extra clothing, accessories, shoes from Wish. So I have this huge box of a whole bunch of items that I got like probably a month ago. I ordered all this stuff and now it's finally here and I can't wait to do this video. I don't want to ramble on anymore. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I kind of feel like we should start off with a bang with this faux leather dress. And basically when I looked at this, it really reminded me of like a latex dress, those ones that are like basically fabric as water stuck to your body. Kind of like, you know that scene from Scooby-Doo when Velma's being hot and she wears that like latex suit and when she's walking it makes a bunch of noise?
Well, that was my outfit, I swear.
You know the one? That's what this fabric looks like to me, and this was $24 and it has 4 stars, and I got it in this really pretty pink color, so it's right here. This is going to be hard to judge because you have to have the body. Like, did you see that girl in the picture? She's curvy. I'm not. I'm a stick. Oh my goodness, it's like stuck to the bag. The bag and the dress are like the same fabric. Oh, it's like peeling it apart. Here is what it looks like. So far it does look like the picture, and I think that once I put it on, the fabric will look very similar as well. I like already that it has adjustable straps, thinking from an actual perspective of me wearing it, I like that. And it has a built-in bra, so that's pretty great. And a zipper on the back. Love the color. This pink is so freaking pretty. It's like a pastel blush pink. I like that, but I think we better just look at what it looks like on me. I feel like this is gonna be so embarrassing, but let's do it. Like, as if, when am I gonna start caring about embarrassing myself? Never. So this dress really isn't doing the absolute most for me. As you can see, it kind of looks like I'm wearing a pink garbage bag. I don't like being mean, but it's weird though, because I feel like this would look awesome on my mom, but on me, it's just not doing it because I don't fill it out.
These comparisons aren't funny anymore.
So you can see all the wrinkles and it's kind of falling weird on me. It is a long length. Like, as you can see, it goes past my knees a little bit, which I usually love that. I think you guys can see the laughability in this. Like, come on, look at me. Look at what I look like in this. I don't look extra, I look confused. I did like the zipper on the back, and I will admit it does feel kind of fun, like it's really slippery, but I just don't think that it looks like what it was supposed to look like. I know you guys hate when I say stuff about my body, but I do think that if I was curvier, it would fill out better. Like, it's just facts. I like the color though. I like the color. Okay, this next item I have to try on is a silk pajama set. I saw this on Instagram quite a while ago when everyone was having like these silk pajama moments. So So this was only $6 too, and this picture is super cute. I think these will be really, really comfortable. Maybe not for in the winter because I feel like I'll freeze, but in the summertime I could have really used this. All right, it feels like silk. I don't think it's actual silk, but it's like the imitation fabric. The shorts look very, very baggy, and the shirt looks cute too, actually. This looks decent. I actually think I'll wear this shirt as just a normal shirt. Does kind of look big though, so we'll see how it hangs on me. I'm pretty sure I got this in a small. If not, it was just one size. Does kind of smell weird. It actually smells like cigarette smoke, which is weird, but okay. All right, so the two-piece. You can't really tell it's a two-piece, but here you go. It is. It just doesn't really look like it when it's laying flat. But this is actually really super cute. I do wish that it had adjustable straps just because it's so silky and smooth. It's trying to like slide off of me, so I keep having to like pull it up. But I think if you were sleeping, you wouldn't really have to worry about that as much. But I think it's cute. I really, really like the shorts part of it. The shirt I could kind of take or leave, but the shorts are so comfy and I actually think I will be sleeping in them. So this for sure gets a thumbs up. Plus it was like $6. That's kind of insane when you think about it. All right, this actually came in like a roll and I had to take it out of the packaging because I was so confused on what I ordered that was like a tube, but sure enough, it was this shirt. And this shirt is very extra. I really don't think this is gonna sit well on me, but it was $16 and that's what it looks like. So we'll see. It reminds me a lot of the like Paris Hilton, Kendall Jenner dress that I tried in my other Wish video. Okay, I think I have it on. If you notice that I'm moving a little slowly, it's because the chances of me flying out of this dress are 100%. That was hard to wear. Really wrap this up good. Wow. Okay, we're in. So for $16, and that's before shipping, so if you guys shop on Wish, you know that after shipping the prices go up drastically. So I wasn't really on a budget for this video. I was just like trying to find the best stuff. Wow, it's brilliant. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. How do you... It's just a sheet of beautiful fabric, I'll admit. And then this little chain fell out, so I'm pretty sure you're just going to chain it. Oh my goodness, not another one of these. Okay, it's gonna look something like that. Let's put it on for real. I do love this fabric, okay? Is this even considered fabric? I don't know. It feels cool though. Oh my gosh, this kind of looks like that Gucci hat thing.
In case nobody knows what I'm talking about, there it is. They look so similar.
Wow. Oh my gosh, no it doesn't. No it doesn't. Okay, let me put this. How do people wear these out? Like honestly, I want to understand, but I don't. Okay, here it is. I'm not going to be making any sudden movements. As you can see, I do have my bra on because it's kind of like this metal, but it's got like many holes in it. You can probably see. So I just don't know if it would be see-through, and I'm not willing to take that risk. So I'm just gonna leave my bra on, but you can get the idea. Like if I go like this, that's what it looks like. It looks cute as ever, but it is definitely a risk. It's risky business. And the back's not gonna look cute because I have, oh no, I have my bra on, but usually it would be completely open. Okay, but going to judge the shirt, it actually looks just like the picture, and it's quite soft. It's not like itchy or anything, and I think if you're into this, I say this shirt would be a thumbs up. Like, it looks like it, and I think it would do the job. Yes, for me, it's very spooky to wear something like this, but I understand that some people do. This is a very extra glam shirt, and I do love it, and I'm going to keep it on the slight chance that maybe one day I wear it. Probably not, but I'll keep it just in case. I think we should dive into a pair of shoes. These are Women Newest Autumn Clear PVC ankle boots, woman pointed toe, transparent short boots, sexy high heel shoe. Said 4 stars and it was $28. These look very much like the shoes Kim Kardashian was seen wearing, wherein everyone was just like, why is she wearing clear shoes? Isn't the humidity from the sweat gonna like fog up her shoes? And that is a good question, honestly. Here they are. Now this is the first thing that actually arrived. It came like a week after I ordered it, which was awesome. So loud. Okay, so they're really, really crunched up, but let me just, they look a lot like the picture. Yeah, it looks decent. I mean, it's a weird style. I get what people are going for, and I think that these would look cool with like fun socks. You could see the socks through the shoe. That's like why I would want to wear these. I don't know if I'd want to wear them barefoot, but I will try them on sockless. Hello. Oh my goodness. Why do I kind of like them immediately? Oh my gosh. My toes look weird. They look like they're in a plastic bag. Whoa! Okay, my sweatpants, as usual, are adding a lot to the look. But oh my gosh. I feel like I've finally understood the Kardashians. And all it took was these shoes. These are freaking awesome. This makes me feel like I need to strut, not walk. It also makes me feel like I shouldn't be sweating, and it also shows how much pain my feet are in. My feet are really cramping up already. But I mean, look at them. This is such a look. I love these. Okay, thumbs up for sure. Alright, so this is a two-piece bodycon. It kind of looks like another silky fabric with a lot of crystals. This was only $10. Now these pictures are amazing of this item, so we'll see what it looks like. Ooh, it's so soft. Like if I bought this from a real store, I would think it was actual silk. That's how soft it is. But here is the little skirt. It's obviously very wrinkly. And then here is the top. So I wish that this had some bra to it because I'm gonna be really all out. In the picture, it definitely looks more like this band is like Swarovski crystals, like it really shines, whereas this is more like some elastic with a little sparkle in it. But I mean, the imitation is not too bad. I will try it on. I don't know actually what it's gonna look like, so let's try it. Wow. One reoccurring thing I've really noticed with these extra clothing pieces is the threat of flashing people is very prevalent. Like people who dress extra are not scared for their boob to fly out. Like that's not a worry. That's a lifestyle. I'm surprised with how much this actually looks like the picture. I feel like if I was to pose in an Instagram picture, people would think this set was that set. That's how similar it actually looks. The fabric actually looks very expensive too. On camera you can probably see it looks very silky, and this actually looks sparkly. This set is kind of killing it. I have to give it a thumbs up. I mean, it's pretty cute, and I feel like with my tan, yeah, I actually am surprised with how much I like this. I didn't think I would, but I will for sure give it a thumbs up. Whole bunch. So this is a 5-piece purse and handbag set, and I really liked the way it looked, but I also was like 5 pieces for $33. What? Like, how is that even possible? 5 pieces? That's crazy. Like, how much is that per piece? That's $6 a piece. Decent. So we'll see what it looks like. It came in a package that looks like it can't hold 5 pieces. So we'll see. I'm excited. Ooh. Now I've never actually ordered like accessories off of Wish, so I'm curious. Ready? Whee! Oh my gosh. This looks freaking nice. Okay, why does it look and feel like my Michael Kors bag? What the heck? Sometimes this stuff just really confuses me. It even has a really nice zipper. Sometimes with like cheaper things, look at this. It works great. Okay, let's see the other pieces. They're all inside here. So we've got a, what are you? A little makeup bag. And then in here is a little, looks like a miniature backpack to hang on. And then a little card holder. I actually needed one of those. I'm going to use that. And then the last one Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff in here. Here is a little like envelope clutch and a wallet. 5, 6. 6 if you're counting that little card holder. But let's see. It's cute. Okay, I'm impressed. This purse especially feels amazing. I don't know what brand this is, obviously, but this feels like as good quality as my Michael Kors, and it kind of looks like it. It's kind of weird. I'm a little shook by that. Is Michael Kors producing the same place this does and then just hyping up the prices? I don't know. Am I a conspiracy channel? No, I'm not, so I'm not gonna get into it, but I understand that there's like a whole bunch, but the one I'm most excited about is the big one, so got all the plastic off. I've never worn a purse that high. I usually, if it's got like little straps, I'll carry it like this. I mean, it's cute, and I'm confused because it's built so well. Like, it feels sturdy and like good material. That's crazy. Okay, I feel like this is worth looking into. I think maybe I'll have to do a Wish accessories video because this is decent. All right, last and final item is this very scandalous dress. Oh my gosh. And it's $12, and I think I got it in black. Yeah, I did. It's got this like crystal cut up the leg and a plunging neckline. Everything I've been looking for, so. All right, it feels like cheap leggings for starters. That is not a good opener. Whenever something feels like cheap leggings, usually I'm not a huge fan. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize this part came with it. Whoa, okay. This looks a little big too. I wonder if it'll fit me okay. All right, you know what? This dress is just too confusing. Let's just put it on. I have no idea what's going on. If I was to let this go as low as it's supposed to, it would be like way down here. Oh wait, maybe I just... What? That doesn't make any sense. Or maybe it does. I think that's how it's supposed to fit, and we've got this thing up the side, and it's weirdly bunching because I don't have a bodacious booty. I don't know actually whose body shape would fit this because it's doing weird things. This is really long and it's gapping, but this isn't very big, like, and then the back is like doing this weird thing back here. I'm going to save myself the trouble and just give this a thumbs down. Yeah, no, this one is a no-go for me. Okay guys, so that has been an entire video of me trying extra stuff off of Wish. Now, I love doing these videos. I feel like I forget how much I love doing them until I do it, and then afterwards I just want to unbox more fun stuff. So I really like this video. Why am I saying I like my own video? I really love my video. I hope, more importantly, you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to click the subscribe button and the like button if you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!